how to use your Walmart associate discount card online. First, you will need to go search for Walmart and go to the official Walmart website. Once you are taken to the website, you will need to sign into your account. So click on sign in here in the top right and then select sign in or create account. From this option, it is going to ask you for your mobile phone number or your email. Put your info here and sign into your account. After you have done this, you will need to link your discount. You will go into account settings and you will find the section for associate discount. Next, it is going to ask you for your WIN, which is going to be your Walmart identification number if needed. And your discount card must be connected to your online account. This is going to connect it. Next, you will shop like normal. You will add items to your cart. Your discount work only on eligible items like general merchandise, not groceries or clearance. Automatic discounts at checkout. If the items are eligible, your 10% associate discount will apply automatically. You just want to place your order. You will review the total, see your discount, and complete your purchase. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.